Harihi Om, my dear holy souls. This is Mata Anantananda, Sri Sadguru Shivarama Avadhuta Ashramam, Kamavaram village, Kannur district, Andhra Pradesh state from Bharat, that is India. Under the caption of Wonderful Indian Folk Stories, we are enjoying some twistful, wonderful and suspensive stories of Bhatti and Vikramaditya, the adventurous and historical personalities of ancient India. In that series of videos, this is 77th video. The Shire of Champakavalli is discussed in this part. Main incidents in this story are Vikramaditya had taken old man disguise and hide himself, watched Champakavalli's beauty and sophistication, while Bhatti taken servant maid disguise mingled in that group. The twist of the compound wall and entrances, return of Bhatti. The outcoming skills from this story, the aristocracy of princes, the tacts of servant maids at entrance fill us with wonder. It will increase our imaginative power also. The remaining story let us enjoy in the video. As we discussed in the previous video, on the next Friday, at the time of expectation of about Champakavalli's visit to the forest, Vikramaditya had taken the disguise of old man with the help of Betala, and Betala had arranged all the clothes, ornaments and all. And in the same manner, Bhatti had taken a servant maid's disguise, and they were waiting. Vikramaditya hidden in some bushes, and on the opposite side of the lake, Bhatti also hidden himself in the disguise of servant maid, and they were waiting. By the time, the expected time, they heard some sweet musics of drums and other equipment. They were waiting eagerly. After a few minutes, like a procession, Champakavalli came there in a peril's palkin. Some of the women were beating drums and other musical instruments, and some are singing, and some were dancing, and the pallakin carriers also women only, and some of servant maids were announcing and warning the people. Like that, she came there. While she was getting down from the pallakin, by watching her beauty and delicacy, Vikramaditya felt wonder about her, as if she was a divine lady. She was such a beauty, and she wore some valuable ornaments. Though Vikramaditya was emperor, he wondered about her beauty and the body odor. It was spread in all of the surroundings. Because of such concentration of the odors only, the marble chowltry, the rest room, the little construction, it was giving such fragrance. He analyzed like that, and he hidden himself between the bushes and watching what will happen there, what would happen there. And Bhatti also watched the procession, and with the help of Betala, he had taken the necessary changes about ornaments and color of dresses like that, and he made himself similar to the servant maids of Champakavalli, and mingled in them, because that group was very huge, so nobody could recognize him. So he mingled with them, and Champakavalli, she had taken bath in the water, and she enjoyed with the other servant maids, and some of the servant maids were plucking the flowers, and some were making the flowers as garlands, and some are doing some other things for Champakavalli like that, and they enjoyed the time a lot. And after having a pleasure bath and swimming, this girl Champakavalli, she approached the bank of the lake, and then she had gone into the chowtry. There, with the help of servant maids, she changed her dress with by leaving the wet one and having the dry and washed clothes. And the servant maids had dried her hair and decorated her with a different hairstyle. And some of the servant maids by that time, they arranged for flower garlands, and some of the servant maids were made her up with garlands and ornaments, and she enjoyed there by playing chess and other games like that, and hide and seek, and she enjoyed the surroundings, the nature. After some time like that, 2 or 3 hours she spent there, and all the group, they got ready to travel towards the city. So by that time, all the servant maids, it was a huge group, they started, and Champakavalli, she climbed up into her parel's palkin, and they started towards city Vijayanagara. And along with them, by showing some moments as miming to Vikramaditya where he hidden, but he also mingled with the group and left there. And while traveling through the streets of the city, Bhatti observed even no male dog even on the road, and people, they were very careful. They didn't allow their buffalo, on this male goats, and even bullocks also. They were very obedient towards the order of the king. He felt wonder, Bhatti, because the group was very huge. He followed them, he mingled in them, and followed towards the palace comfortably. And then, when they reached the palace of Champakavalli, there were a number of compound walls. As he heard it about it from travelers, he was ready to reach there. But he didn't expect some twist there. He didn't notice that the servant maids were 256 members in number. So at the first gate, half of the servant maids, means 128 servant maids, they returned back to the city, and only 128 members entered into the palace. Then Bhatti, he mingled in the group which was entering into the palace. At the second gate, half of that group, means 64 members, they left, they followed, they returned back into the city, and only 64 members, they were entering into the palace deep towards the third gate. Then Bhatti, he mingled himself in the 64 members who were entering into the palace. At the next gate, half of them, 32 members, returned towards the city, and 32 members only entered into the palace. With a little bit fear, something nervous feeling, Bhatti mingled himself in 32 members and entered into the another gate. There they divided into two groups, as half of the people, 16 servant maids, returned to the city, and 16 members, they entered into the palace. And at the other gate, 8 members of the servant maids returned to the city, and only 8 members entered into the palace. Then Bhatti mingled himself in the 8 members, but he thought it is not safe, so that he mingled himself into the batch of 8 members whom they were returned to the city, because he thought at the next gate the 8 members also divide into 4 plus 4. Then if he mingle in the fifth other in 4 members team, Champakamalli might recognize him. It is a new face for her, and moreover he heard that she was able to sense the smell of male, so that it will be dangerous, not for Bhatti's safety, but Bhatti was very concerned about the decision and the plan of Vikramaditya, according to which Vikramaditya wanted to marry Champakavalli. So Bhatti didn't like to get disturbed to that plan. That's why he left. So with a group of servant maids, he left the palace and entered into the roads of the city. Now he watched all the men and women. They were wandering on the roads according to their works, and everything was normal. So Bhatti didn't follow the road according to by which he entered into the city. So by leaving Vikramaditya at the lake itself, he traced another route and he crossed the city and sat under a tree and starting to think, because Bhatti was very concerned about his brother Vikramaditya. He thought himself, I have promised to my brother that I'll know the secret of Champakavalli, by which she was following such a determination not to see male's face like that. But I could not get success. What I have to do? With negative answer, how can I show my face to my brother? He was thinking like that. And what will happen in the next part of this story? Let us enjoy in the coming up video. Thank you for watching. Harihi Om.